In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Excel with hyperlinks. By the end, you will be able to jump between sheets with a single click. To start, create a new sheet. Look at the row of sheet tabs at the bottom of Excel. Click the plus button on the right side of those tabs. Excel adds a new worksheet, usually called sheet and a number. This new blank sheet is where your table of contents will live, separate from your data sheets so everything stays neat. Once that sheet is created, rename it to Table of Contents. Double-click the new sheet tab name to highlight it. Type the words Table of Contents, then press Enter. You should now see that exact name on the tab. Renaming helps later when you have many sheets because the tab clearly tells you this is your navigation page. Now that the sheet is ready, you can create your list. Click into column A on the Table of Contents sheet. You will be typing one sheet name per cell, stacked vertically. Start in cell A1 so you have plenty of space if your workbook grows. In cell A1, type Table of Contents. Press Enter to move down to cell A2. It is useful to list this sheet itself first because you might later link back to it from other sheets. Next, in cell A2, type Sales, then press Enter. In cell A3, type Expenses, then press Enter. In cell A4, type Employees, and press Enter again. Finally, in cell A5, type Summary. You should now see a simple vertical list in column A, from A1 to A5, matching the sheet names you plan to use. If any name looks wrong, fix the text now, since hyperlinks use this exact cell. With the list in place, you can add your first hyperlink. Click once on the cell that contains the word Sales in column A. Make sure the dark border is around the Sales cell only, not the entire column. Now press the keys Ctrl and K together on your keyboard. Excel opens the Insert Hyperlink window. On the left side of this window, find and click the option called Place in this document. This tells Excel you want to link to another sheet in the same workbook. After clicking Place in this document, look in the middle of the window for the list of worksheet names. Click on the worksheet named Sales so it is highlighted. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the window. The Sales cell text will now turn blue and underlined, showing that it is a hyperlink. From now on, when you click the Sales cell on the Table of Contents sheet, Excel jumps straight to the Sales worksheet. You have just built the start of a clickable Table of Contents sheet that links directly to your Sales sheet. If this helped you move around your workbook faster, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Excel walkthroughs.